Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Good
How are you?
morning. Absolutely fine. How are all of you?
Ma'am, I also.
That's fine.
Ma'am,
Yes,
how
Mariam.
are you, ma'am? Have a little sneezing and coughing.
Oh, Mariam.
Morning, ma'am.
Get
Told
well
that
soon,
my.
beta. Yes,
Ma'am,
Mariam.
what are you doing now? Get my place.
Okay, Mariam. Take care, beta. Take care. Take proper precautions. Get well soon. Yes, Ayat. Now you tell me, what were you saying?
Ma'am, how are you?
I'm absolutely fine, but very cold here. I think it is same for all of you.
Yes. Ma'am, window is closed. No, my cool. We are my place.
It's very
Ma'am, it's 21 degrees. You open the window.
yes,
In
it's
India,
very
it's
cold.
21 degrees.
Yes, different places are having different temperatures, and some places it is very cold, and some places it is having very
It's
ice
good
place.
cold in ice places.
Yes. Can you tell me any place where that place is full of ice? Anybody, if you know. Any place that is
Ocean,
full of ice.
I'm a Greenland.
Arctic Ocean.
Wow. Any place in India that is filled with ice, you go there, it's very cold. You need to wear lots and lots of winter wears.
The North Pole.
Yes,
India, in India.
in India.
Asma, it's in India. India, ma'am is
Place in
talking
India.
about.
Which place in India?
Uh, Kashmir.
Hmm. Good one. Good one. Okay. Asma, please change your name and put on your video, beta. Asma. I got to know that this GOOE is Asma only. Hmm.
Ma'am, double O
Come again, please.
GOE.
Yes, this is Asma. Okay, now are you all aware that tomorrow is your holiday?
Holiday.
So you
Holiday.
will be having 4 days of short break, and after that we will begin with your exams. Okay, so from the next Tuesday you will be writing your exams. So this 4 days of holiday is a big time for you all to practice more and more. Okay, I will be sharing some assignments on Google Classroom. You just check it out from there, and then you can practice some exercises from Google Classroom, and then turn on the pages of your maths and science book, do a quick revision, and be ready for your exams. Okay? Are you all set for the exam? You can show me thumbs up. Yes, cold weather, exam papers ready. What a beautiful imagination it is. Okay, good. Mariam Sheikh, good morning. Asma, good morning. Mifra, good morning. Mifra, put on your video. Quickly put on your video, beta. Good morning, beta. Quickly put on your video. Yeah, there you are.
Me, ma'am.
Good morning. So just a quick, I'm repeating quickly what I said just now. For those who have joined now, that coming week will be your exams week. Okay, tomorrow is your holiday, so today we will revising what we have started in our maths. Okay, so what is going? Yes, beta. Okay, Amna, are you talking to me? Yes, Amna.
Ma'am, she was not talking to you.
Yeah, Amna was not talking to me, but I thought that Amna is talking to me. I'm waiting. Wow. Okay. So just
Ma'am?
repeating once again.
Shimla,
Very good.
we are also cold.
Very good. So just repeating quickly, listen everybody. Tomorrow is your holiday. Today we are going to do a quick revision of maths, what all we have to write in our exams. That part only we are going to revise today. And then I will be sharing some assignments on Google Classroom. You can check it out from there, complete your assignments, practice. Just keep practicing. Practicing will give you a better perfection, okay? And also practice your science unit 5 and unit 4, 5 and 6, whatever syllabus that is given in Google Classroom. Check it out from there and just practice it, okay? Now, quickly, everybody take out your maths notebook. Quickly, we will start. Come on, everybody, quickly take out your maths notebook.
Mama.
31, 30, 1, 3, 11, 15.
Quickly, everybody take out your maths notebook. Today we will do revision.
पहले खाई नहीं
Quickly, everybody, please be ready, beta.
Relax the science.
Ma'am, can you disable the annotation?
Yeah, beta, sure. Okay, so are you all ready with your maths notebook? Quickly written today's date.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Khadija. So quickly write today's date and the topic, and then I will let you know the first question. Only such type of questions will be coming during your exams. Oh, Rufeda, Asia, join. Good morning, Rufeda. Good morning, Asia. Okay, Asia wants to say me good morning, I think. Am I right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Quickly be ready with the maths
How
notebook.
are you?
Absolutely
you?
fine, my dear. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, beta. Quickly take out your maths notebook, Asya. Write today's date and the topic, and then quickly we will start revising. So, if you remember in our previous classes, we studied about finding the difference. So, whenever I tell you, just I'm recalling all of you, okay? For all of you. Suppose if I tell you, find the difference between, it means what you have to do, who can tell me? Come on, Amna, unmute and tell me. If I say find the difference between, then what you have to do? You have to do plus or minus.
Minus.
Very good. Yes, Mefra, unmute and tell me.
I was gonna say the answer.
Okay, tell me, beta.
Minus.
Minus. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, Mariam Sheikh, unmute, beta. Tell me. When I ask, find the difference between, then what you have to do?
Minus.
Very good. Excellent. And now here comes the first question. You just need to write down the answer. Find the difference. Do not write this one. Find the difference between 10, sorry, 15 and 8. Now do it on your notebook. Just write this part. Coming, Mariam Gola. Unmute, beta.
Ma'am.
Just write this part.
Ma'am.
Or you can write, yeah, tell me, beta.
Find the difference means. Ma'am.
Yes. Find. Yeah, tell me.
Another name of minus.
Yes. So if I tell you, find the difference between 15 and 8. Okay. So everybody only write this one, or you can write in this way.
Number 8 is a smaller number.
Yes. So you have to find the difference between 15 and 8. Tell me. Come on, do it on your notebook and I will come to any one of you to get the answer. Yes, Mariam, tell me, beta.
Minus 8 is.
Yes, come again.
Ma'am, 15 minus 8.
Tell me the answer.
7, ma'am, 7.
Down on your notebook, do it and write down on your notebook. You can do it like this, write 15, then write 8, and then you do it, okay? And then you write the answer over here.
Ma'am, I know that trick. It's an easy trick.
Yeah, everybody quickly write it down and then I will tell you the second question. This is how your questions will be coming in exam, just similar to this. Very good, very good. I can see many of you are writing with full concentration. Good to see. Mariam Gola, quickly first write down, beta. Quickly. Once you complete, you can lift up your notebook and show it to me. I will come to you to look at the answer. Do not tell me the answer. Otherwise, your answer will be heard by the other one. Difference between 15 and 8. See, I have written similarly. You have to write on your notebook. Yeah, coming to you. Yes, Asma, unmute beta. I hope Asma has done.
Ma'am, I finished writing question number 1.
Excellent. Can you show me your notebook beta so that I can see the answer? Bring it closer to the camera, my dear. Yeah, have you written the answer beta? Answer?
Ma'am, I don't understand what we are doing.
Okay, I'm telling you, beta. This is the question. If you remember, we explained, we discussed, no? When I tell you, Asma, tell me the difference between 10 and 5. Then what you have to do, Asma? 10 plus 5 or 10 minus 5?
More than 5.
Yes. Then when I ask you difference between 10 and 5, then what you do? You do 10 minus 5. Am I right, beta?
Yes.
Difference between this word means you have to do minus. Okay.
Yes.
So difference between 15 and 8 means what you have to do, Asma?
Yes.
Yes, tell me, beta. You have to do 15 minus 8, Asma. Okay. Difference between means you have to do subtraction, minus. So difference between 15 and 8 means you have to do 15 minus 8. Quickly do it. Quickly do it, Asma, and tell me the answer, beta. Sorry, let me come to the others. See if you are ready with the answer. Yes, Rufeda. Coming, Mifra. Tell me, Rufeda. Beta, tell me the answer, Rufeda. I cannot hear you, Rufeda. Unmute once again. Oh, I could not hear you, beta. Mifra, can you please unmute? Just let me check whether it is with everybody or only Rufeda.
I know what is the answer.
Tell me the answer.
7.
Very good. Okay, Rufeda, I think there is some problem over there, but if you can please recheck because I cannot hear you, Rufeda. Can you show me your notebook, beta, so that I can get to know if you have written? Show me your notebook, please. Ayat, have you completed writing? Can you tell me the answer, beta? 15 minus 8, what is it?
15 minus 8, 7.
Good. Ibrahim, unmute and tell me, have you completed writing? Amna, show me your notebook. Ahmad, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, look, this my turn. Wait a minute, I was just late.
Yeah, you were late again. No problem. What you can do is you need to do revision, beta. So we are revising difference between Ibrahim. So difference between, when I tell you, Ibrahim, tell me the difference between 4 and 2 or 2 and 4. Then what you have to do? You have to do 4 minus 2. Okay, beta. When I tell you difference between, it means you have to do minus. So now, similarly, Ibrahim, you have to do 15 minus 8. Difference between 15 and 8. 15 minus 8. Quickly do it on your notebook, Ibrahim, and tell me the answer. Ibrahim, quickly write it down. Okay. Yeah. Quickly, 15 minus 8 and tell me the answer. I'll be coming to you. Amna, Ahmed Noor, show me your notebook, beta, if you're ready with the answer. Ahmed Noor and Amna, if you can hear me, show me your notebook, please. Ahmed Noor, unmute. Good one, Mifra. Ahmed Noor, unmute, please. Yeah, tell me the answer, Ahmed Noor.
7.
Okay, have you written down on your notebook?
थोड़ी देर में लिफ्ट कर रहे हैं.
1, 2.
Okay, so those who are done with the first one, You can, coming beta, coming. Just give me a moment. I'm just trying to draw one line. I'm coming to each one of you. Just give me a while. Yeah, here it is. Okay. It is the better one. Coming to each one of you. Just give me a second and here I complete. Yeah. Now coming. Those who are done with the first one, draw the second one. Yes, Asya. Very good. Tell me the answer, Asya.
Ma'am, 7.
Very good, beta. Now quickly draw the second one. Draw the number line just like I have drawn here on the screen and put the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and then 10. Coming Amna beta, coming Asma. Yes, Amna, tell me. Good, Asma.
7.
Very good. Quickly draw the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Asma.
Second
Tell me,
question.
beta. Can you tell me the answer
Ma'am,
of
I
10
don't-
minus 8?
7.
Very good. Can you show me a notebook if you have written, dear? Okay, you're writing the second question. Good one, my girl. Very good. You're writing very fast these days. Very good, Asma. Very good, Asma. Okay, beta, quickly write the second one. What you have to do is draw a straight line.
Number 2 लिखो तो. Number 2 लिखो.
Okay, and then
ये
draw.
तो आंसर लिखे तो first का.
So the answer first one is 15 minus 8, that is 7. Yes, Ayat, unmute. Very good, beta. Very good, my girls. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Ayat, write the second one. Draw the number line. Mifra, Mariam Gola, Rufeda, Ibrahim. Draw the second one. Khadija, can you show me your notebook, dear? You all are studying very nicely. I'm very proud of all of you. Very good, Khadija. Draw the, okay, done with the second one also. Okay, Khadija, now let me ask to you, beta, okay? Can you hear me, Khadija?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, beta. Now, Khadija, can you tell me different, can you tell me any two numbers? Any two numbers whose difference will be, whose difference is 2? From your number line, look here on the number line and
Okay.
tell me any two numbers whose difference will be 2.
Okay.
Okay.
If you remove 2 from 3, it will become 1. And if you remove 3 from 4, it will become 1. But actually, ma'am, if you remove 2 from 5, it will become 3.
Good.
So
Very
the
good.
more the
Very
number
good.
is, the more different the answer is.
Yes. Yes. So suppose Khadija, you are at number 5. Okay. You are at number 5. Okay. Then tell me to the number that you will go. Okay. And difference
What I
that
can't
will
hear
be
you,
jump
ma'am,
of
because
2.
of the background noise.
Jump of 2. Khadija, jump of 2.
Okay.
From 5, take a jump of 2.
I jump up to, okay.
Okay, do not write this question. Yes, Peter, tell me now.
I'll have to go over 4 and land at 3, I suppose.
Yes, beta, come again.
I have to take a jump over 4 and land at 3 as
No, beta, jump of 2 from 5 means from 5. After 5, you have to take a jump of 2.
Okay, forward, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If I take a jump of 5, then I'll have to land at 7 or something.
Excellent. Yes, Ayat, unmute and tell me. Coming, Mariam Gola. Everybody draw this and take a jump of 2 from 5. Draw it on your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, Mariam Gola, unmute and tell me. Are you facing any problem anywhere? Circle
Ma'am.
number 5. Yes, beta. Tell me.
Do we have to write the difference between 8?
Difference between, if you have written, well and good, excellent.
Between.
Come again.
Ma'am, give me the annotation. Let me do something.
Beta, you have to write it down on your notebook, no? We are practicing so that
Ma'am,
on Tuesday
no.
you can write it on your notebook.
Do it on the notebooks.
Mhm.
Just saying that give me the annotation for 1 minute and just understand.
Listen, Mariam Gola. Are you done with the first one? First question?
No, ma'am.
You're not done with the first question, beta. There is nothing to annotate here. Nothing to annotate, beta. Everybody is just, we need to write on a notebook, beta. Yes?
I want to tell you that do we have to write difference between?
No. If you have not written, don't write it. Just write this one, 15 minus 8, and then do it.
Okay,
Quickly,
ma'am.
Mariam. Quickly do it. See, everybody is completing very fast. Yes, Amna. Tell me, jump of 2 from 5. Where will you reach?
3.
From 5. That is also good. Not a problem. 3 also, it is coming difference of 2. But after 5, jump from 2. Jump from 5. Jump of 2.
4.
Jump of 2. You can go to 3. Not a problem. Not a problem.
1.
After 5.
5 के बाद
5, 6.
Hmm?
6.
No.
7.
Yeah. Jump of 2, no? Yes, Asma. Unmute beta.
7. 5.
Yes,
Good one,
ma'am.
Ayat. Good one, Ayat. Yes, Asma. Are you facing problem anywhere, beta?
7.
Amna?
Is it done?
Okay. Okay, beta. Okay, Amna. Let me come to others. Let me see what Mifra is doing. Mifra, unmute. Rufeda, can you show me your notebook, beta? Mifra and Rufeda,
ma'am.
please show me your notebook, beta. How far have you written? Have you written question number 1 and 2? Bring your notebook closer to the camera, beta, so that I can see it. Yeah, that's much better. Very good, Mifra. Very good, Rufeda. So, Mifra, jump of 2 from 5. You will go to after 5, 6, then 7. Yes, very good. Now, let me come to Mariam Sheikh unmute. Have you written question number 1 and 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me your notebook, dear? Okay. Okay, beta. Actually, it's coming blur, but I think you have written. Rufeda, unmute, beta. I want to talk to you, Rufeda, but I think there is some problem in your mic, beta, right, Rufeda? I wanted to hear Rufeda. I was missing her voice. Very good, Mariam. Yeah, Mariam. Now I can see, beta. Good, Mariam Sheikh. Now I can see. Okay, Mariam. Mariam, so take a jump of 2 from 5. Then where will you reach?
9.
After 5, beta. 2 jump only. From 5 count and I will jump. You count? Yeah, 7. Absolutely right. From 5, 6, 1 jump and then 7, 1 jump. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Rufeda, do not be disturbed, beta. Do not worry, beta. It happens. It happens. Don't worry. You just write it down, beta. If you need to ask me anything, you can write down on the chat box and then I will reply you. Don't worry. It happens. Okay. Asya, unmute and tell me if you have written both the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Asya. So did you understand how we are going to find out the difference and how we will take the jump? Because such type of things will come in your question. Okay, beta. Good one, Khadija. Excellent. Ahmed Noor
Yes.
Ibrahim, show me your notebook.
Answer is 3.
You can go to 3. From 5, you can go to 3 also. And after 5, where will you go? After 5, Ibrahim, show me your notebook, Ibrahim. How far have you written? You have not written anything, beta. How will you give your exams? Yeah, Ahmed Noor. That's great. That's great, Ahmed. That's great. So when you are jumping from 5, jump of 2, then you will go to number 7. Then I will circle this one. Okay. Now Ibrahim, quickly unmute. Yeah. Ibrahim, have you written 15 minus 8?
15 minus 8.
Yes, beta, you haven't written anything. Ibrahim, show me your notebook
Yes,
once,
yes.
please.
Okay.
Lift it up a little bit, lift it up, lift up your notebook. You have just written today's date. Oh my God, beta, you have not written anything, Ibrahim. Quickly write 15 minus 8. Quickly write it down, Ibrahim, on your notebook, 15 minus 8. Let me see. Somebody is raising hand. Yes, Asya. Okay, Asya has done. Good, Asya. Good. Ayat, unmute and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed? Oh, you have completed. I remember you have shown me your notebook. Good girl. Asma, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Asma.
Can I
Done
show
with
you
science?
my notebook?
Definitely, definitely. Bring it closer, and that's excellent work. That's excellent work. Excellent work, my girls. Okay, so Asma done, Amna done, Ayat done, Mariam Gola, unmute and tell me how far. I think all of you have completed. Smart, very, very smart and brilliant students. Yes, beta, tell me.
I know very well.
Yes, Mariam.
I'll revise and watch.
Completed, Mariam?
Ma'am, let me show you before you meet me. Ma'am.
Coming, Amna.
Ma'am.
Show me your notebook.
Yes, ma'am, showing. Just 1 minute or 1 second. 2, 3. Yes,
Bring it closer to the camera, please.
yes, ma'am.
Oh, still I cannot see anything.
My background, 1 minute.
Yeah, because of your background, beta. But have you completed writing all the questions? I mean, both the questions.
Wait, ma'am. Let me show you.
Okay. Yeah, now you can show me. Bring it closer, and very good. Yeah, you completed very fast, right? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Mariam. This is how you have to do during your exams. Okay. I will be sharing the assignments for your revision. Do complete it. Yes, Amna, unmute and tell me, beta.
Eggs. What about harm spiders? Done, ma'am.
Done, Amna. Yes, beta. I saw. Okay, so all of you have completed writing and all of you understood what is the meaning of difference between, how you have to take a jump of 3, 4, 5, then how you will do all these revision. Just go to Google Classroom, take the assignments, do a quick revision, and we will meet now during your exams day. Okay, so all set. Come on, everybody. I'm putting everybody on unmute. Everybody, you will say along with me, hip hip hooray, and then I will end the session. Just a moment. Yeah, unmute and say
Ma'am, I have a
with me.
question to ask her. Could you say to
You need to ask me any
the
question,
number
Khadija.
line? Ma'am,
Come again.
We haven't done much of the number lines, so could you save them as an assignment?
Yes, beta. If you remember, we did number line. I think in our previous classes, while we were doing finding the difference, no, and that time we did number line 1. But don't worry, not much question of number line will be coming. If you are facing any hurdle anywhere, I will clear the doubt. Okay, Khadija? Okay, everybody, unmute and say hip hip hooray with me. Unmute, everybody. Hip hip. Come on, hip hip hooray. Okay, now all the best for your exams. Okay, be ready. Please log in on time during your exams day, okay? So that you can complete your papers. Otherwise, your paper will go incomplete.
Ma'am, is the class finished?
Yes, Asma beta.
Is class finished?
Yes, we are going to end the session. See you on your exams day. All the best, everybody. Good luck. God bless all of you.